The Circle of Life. The Lion King. The opening scene of The Lion King, where Simba is proudly presented to the animal kingdom, is an unforgettable moment that sets the stage for the entire film. The sweeping visuals and the powerful Circle of Life song make this a truly magical scene. 2. You've Got a Friend in Me. Toy Story. The introduction of Woody and Buzz. Lightyear's friendship, accompanied by Randy Newman's iconic song, set the stage for the heartwarming journey of the two toys in Toy Story. This scene perfectly captures the concept of friendship and loyalty that runs throughout the entire movie. 3. The bicycle chase, E.T. the Extra-Terrestrial. The thrilling bicycle chase scene in E.T. is a classic moment that showcases the bond between the kids and the titular alien. Flying across the moonlit sky, this scene captures the wonder and excitement of childhood adventures. 4. Oompa Loompa Song. Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. The colorful and whimsical Oompa Loompa songs and dances in this movie, particularly the one where Violet Beauregarde turns into a blueberry, are both fun and slightly dark. The catchy tunes and playful choreography make these scenes unforgettable for kids and adults alike. 5. Part of Your World. The Little Mermaid. Ariel's longing for a life on land is beautifully expressed in the song Part of Your World. The scene where she explores her collection of human artifacts and dreams of living among humans captures the universal desire for something more and has resonated with audiences for generations. 6. Hakuna Matata, The Lion King. Timon and Pumbaa's introduction of the carefree philosophy of Hakuna Matata provides a hilarious and heartwarming moment in The Lion King. Their song and antics bring joy and laughter to audiences.